Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Ubuntu 22.04. First open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Click on download, then click on select Linux, then select Ubuntu. See here, the PostgreSQL M repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu like 22, 20, 22, 23.10 and 24.04. Okay, so these are the commands that needs to be executed. Open terminal, copy these commands one by one. Enter, then create this one, then import the signing key, that is repository signing key, then create the repository configuration file. Hit enter, it is done. Now update the packages, sudo apt update, hit enter. All done, Control A. Now we have to install the PostgreSQL. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you don't give the version like 16, it will install the latest one. But if you want to install like 16, you have to give 16. Okay, if you want 15, give 15. So I want to install the latest version. So give the PostgreSQL without version number. Hit enter. See, it is going to install the PostgreSQL server 17. Okay, so type I for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is active and running. Okay, go to it, and also see here it is enabled. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres esql. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL 17.4. But this is PSQL client version. But if you want to get the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.4. Okay, now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. First verify list of users. See here we have only one user, that is Postgres. You can also get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we have only one user, so set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Whatever is the password in singular double quotes, that is the password. Hit enter. Alter role means we have successfully set the password for the Postgres user. Control A. Now create a database. Before that, verify list of databases. See, these are the list of the databases. If you want to get the list of the databases by running select statement, dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let's create a database. Create database. Now verify /l. See, new database is there. Go to it. Now connect to this database. Okay, so we can use the /c or /connect. Either is fine. Then give the database name. See, you are now connected to the database bank as user Postgres. Control A. Verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create a table. see, we have created a table in public schema, and this is the name of the table. Type is table. Owner is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now create a user. See, this is the username and this is the password of the user. You can also verify. See, new user is created. Now exit from this PostgreSQL by using \q and connect PostgreSQL with this new user, that is this David user. Okay, PSQL hyphen caps U, then provide the username, then hyphen D, provide the database name, hyphen H localhost, hit enter, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay, now try to switch to this new database bank. Now try to run the query against the table that we have created. See, this is expected because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server on Ubuntu 22.04. Exit, because we can't start with Postgres user because this user doesn't have privileges. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is inactive or dead. Okay, we took it. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su hyphen Postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL Server is stopped. Okay, so start it. Again exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Verify. See, PostgreSQL is active and running. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Okay, to get Control A. See, until now we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL Server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. Okay, so you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin 4 and connect PostgreSQL in Ubuntu operating system. I have installed dbeaver. Even for dbeaver also you can go to my channel and search how to install dbeaver on Ubuntu 22.04. So open it. Now click on this plus button, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Here we have to give the host name. I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC, that's why I have given localhost. Default port for PostgreSQL is 5432. Select show all databases. Provide any database that exists in this localhost. Then username, give any user that is there in this localhost. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Click on download. We have to download the drivers. See, connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand it. Expand databases. See, here we have database that bank database that we have created. Right click, select open SQL console. Now run the same query. Select star from customer. Select it and click on execute. So you got the same output whatever you got here. Okay. Even if you want to verify the version, just use select version. Select it. Click on execute button. See, you got the PostgreSQL Server version. This is the way to connect. If you want to disconnect, right click, close, disconnect, then right click, delete. Click on S, close this one. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Ubuntu 22.04. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL by using dbeaver. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.